Once again back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to prepare ECR text file from Excel. I have an amazing Excel utility to create the text file. That text file we can upload to the EPFO portal for filing the return. So many practical videos relating to income tax, TDS, EPF, ESI and a lot of useful accounting utilities that we can use in our profession. Everything I have introduced in my channel. Kindly go through my channel. If you still not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, share my channel. All others can also study the practical side of the accounting. Share my channel to your friends and colleagues. Come to the session. This is the Excel utility I used to create the text file. When we file the EPF return on the Unified Portal, we have to upload the text file that contains the details of the employees and the employee share as well as the employer share. So the question is, how can we prepare the text file? The HR department or accounts department can save their lot of working hours. Sometimes they want 1 hour or 2 hours, even 1 day they want to prepare the payroll. Before introducing the ECR utility, I will introduce the payroll utility to you. It will be very much useful for you because the ECR data will be created from the payroll utility. So first of all, we have to make the payroll utility. This is the payroll utility. This is showing the company details, company master. Here I have given one more data for the employees. The details of the employees, their CTC, the bifurcation of salary, their EPF, ESI, everything will be automatically calculated here. Already I have uploaded a video regarding this utility. You go through that utility, then you will get more and more clarity about the utility. Just I am introducing this utility right now. Everything we can get from this payroll utility. All the data will be only one-time assignments. On every month, what we have to do, I have given the attendance sheet here. You have to just mention what are the present days and what are the absent days. This is the only thing we have to mention in this sheet. Whenever we fill the data of present and absent, automatically their salary will be calculated here and their EPF share, ESI share and the net amount payable to the employee will be shown here. As well as we will get a consolidation report of the every month salary. You can present this consolidated report to the management for their reference. From here, the management can ascertain how much amount we have to keep at the bank account to make the payment of salary. So everything we can prepare within 5 minutes. No need of hours, days. Only with the 5 minutes work, we can complete everything. And also, we can get the letters to the bank for transferring the amount to the respective salary account. So everything will be automatically created. Now come to the session. How can we create the ECR file? So here I have given the details of the employees who is subjected to EPF deduction. Here you can see some employees have no member ID or UAN. We have to exclude that members from here, and also here there is no salary, they are on leave. We have to include them to the filing. Now the data to the ECR is ready with the payroll. Now come to the ECR utility. Here you have to give the establishment registration number, and here we have to give the wage month. If the wage month is September, we have to give 1/9/2021. Now it is showing September 2021. The only thing we have to change here is the wage month only. The rest of the things are same. The establishment code will never change. Only the wage month will change. The rest of the areas are not subject to change. After changing this wage month, come to the sheet 1. From the payroll utility, we have to copy the entire data and just paste special here. Now the data came to the ECR tool. Go to the text area, the total wages, gross wages, EPF wages, EPS wages, utility wages, and also the EE share, employee share, and also the ER share, employer share. The employer share will be goes to 2 accounts. One is to EPF account and the another one is EPS account. EPF share will be 3.61% and EPS share will be 8.33%. Now everything is calculated, and also the EPF admin charges, the Italy contribution amount, everything is calculated, and the total amount payable to the governments will be 98,874. Now the amazing magic is just click on create text file, give a location, your text file will be created on the desktop now. Now open the text file. This is the text file we created now. Within fraction of second we created this text file. This text file you have to upload to the EPFO portal. This utility is available on demand. If you require this utility, please share your requirements on the comment section along with your email ID, and also you can directly send the request to the WhatsApp or to my email ID. I will share the utility to you. You can save lot of working hours. Kindly reduce the unwanted working on the calculation, the payroll calculations, all these type of utility, everything we have to create utilities. Whatever the work we are repeating every day or every month, we have to create the utilities. By using the utility, you can save lot of time. A 1 hour work can be completed with a 1 minute. The rest of the 59 minutes are free. If you really like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Kindly enable the bell icon. All are subscribing but nobody is enabling the bell icon. Kindly enable the bell icon, then you will get real-time notifications when I upload new videos. Everything is practical only. Everything is very much useful for you. We can meet on next video. Till then, bye.